Hi guys, Grace Repairs here. First video. I wanted to discuss real quick my powder coating oven. I saw this on another video, BigNasty-DIY, and I wanted to try it out. About a year ago, a friend of mine gave me this powder coating gun from Eastwood. He never used it, and it's been sitting on the shelf for about a year now, and I just happened to come across BigNasty's video on doing a powder coat oven. So what we got here is one from Amazon. It was about $180, and it's a 1500 watt unit. It's still hot. I just had a test piece in it, doing my first test piece, and basically what I did is the same exact thing in his videos. Can take a look. In his video, he had panels that were removable all the way around. In mine, I didn't, the one I got, so I just had the two removable panels on the side that I insulated, and then I put a piece of the insulation on the top, used a piece of sheet metal to hold it up, and then underneath, on the bottom, I used a piece of sheet metal. On the door, you can see here, it's just a basic piece of sheet metal held in with a couple self-tapping screws and the insulation behind it. So the insulation that I used was the ceramic batt insulation. I bought it off of Amazon. It says it's 2500 degrees capable. So I figured this was probably the best option. I saw that on somebody else's video. I'm not sure who I saw it on. They left a link in it, but I will leave a link to the oven and to the ceramic insulation in the comments down below. So let's go take a look at the piece that I powder coated. It's still cooling. I used prismatic powders. It's an ultra black chrome. Let's go take a look. Be right back. Okay, so as you can see here, here's the piece. Alright, it's cooling down. It's still very hot. I did have some specks of dirt or dust in the powder. I didn't get it as clean as I wanted to. Just the neighbor's dog. So I can't, I really gotta say that the sheen on it is beautiful. It's called Ultra Black Chrome. I'm not sure if I'll put a clear coat over it, but I'm going to have to, I might try on this test piece. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.